Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Olanike, Nike for short. My Gwari name is Yukomanai. I am that Gwari chick, born and bred in Kaduna, Nigeria. A Gwari girl from Abuja to be precise. So I decided to come up with some few tips that I feel work for me and it can work for new Nigerian or African immigrants. So basically, I want to jump straight to the point. My first tip will be read. Look, you have to read in this country. You need to educate yourself, read to survive. Because, nobody really has time to stop on the road and start telling you, oh, go left, go right. You need to read, educate yourself, go on Google. Google has a lot of answers that you need. Don't just depend on hearsay, because sometimes what works for A might not necessarily work for B, so it might not work for you. So please read. Don't say, oh, but so person did this, so person did that. Nah, read, educate yourself. My second tip will be ask questions too. Like when you go on Google and you Google like African churches, African restaurants, when you go there you can ask questions, because there's an African community wherever you go most of the time, so you ask questions. Also, you could ask questions from the bank. They will be glad to help you. Ask questions in the hospitals. They will be glad to help you. Ask questions in your local churches, at work. Just ask simple questions. Don't ask dumb questions. I beg you, man. I take God beg when I ask questions. People will be so glad to help you when you ask intelligent questions. My third tip will be tech savvy, please. What I mean by tech savvy, I need you to learn how to use your phone better, not just use the phone to make calls and send text messages. We have a lot of apps, and I'm not just talking about text messaging apps that help you navigate through your community, through the society. They could help you out. Be tech savvy, know how to use those apps, find out the apps that will work for you. You need all these things. Be self-sufficient. My Nigerian brothers and sisters, this is America. Getting an electrician to come fix stuff for you is expensive. Getting a furniture maker to come fix stuff for you is expensive. Getting a hairdresser to make your hair, it is expensive. Like when you change that money to naira, it go pepper you for body. It will pepper you for body. So please and please, I beg you, be self-sufficient. Thank God for YouTube. Thank God for Google. Like DIYs, you need to learn to do stuff on your own. Like, don't just come at people and say, oh, do this for me. Like, people don't want to leave their important time. Like in America, time is important. People don't want to leave their time to come help you out. Not all the time, because at some point they'll be like, can't you just go on Google? It has happened to me quite a number of times. I'm like, oh, but I did it myself. And they're like, really? Like, yeah, I did it myself. How did you do it? I just went on Google. I went on Amazon. I went on this. I went on that. They're like, oh, send me the link. Oh, share with me. Duh. All I told you was type this, and you will find it on Google. Like, please learn to do stuff on your own. You need to be self-sufficient. Basically, surviving in America is just common sense. Like sometimes, even if you don't know what to do, like you go to order food in a restaurant, watch the person before you. That's what I used to do when I first got here. See what they do. See how they place their orders, and then you can learn from them. So you need to be self-sufficient. You need to be independent. Why I'm saying so, because in Nigeria, we have shoemakers do stuff for us. We have artisans do stuff for us. A lot of artisans, hairdressers, people do stuff for you. They wash your car, they do stuff for you. Here, you go to wash your car and you have to learn to wash your car by yourself. You vacuum your car out by yourself. Like, you need to learn to do stuff by yourself. My last tip here will be obey the rules. Like, when I say obey the rules, I mean obey the rules. Like, follow traffic rules. Have a good valid driver's license, valid number plates. Don't drink and drive. I pay God beguna. Please. Here, there's no mercy like that though. In Nigeria, you can bribe police. Here, you can't bribe the police. You know if you bribe a locker for America. Please follow the rules. Obey your speed limits. Most importantly, when you find yourself new here, the first things you should do is Google, find out about African churches, African mosques, the African community around you, African restaurants where you can find a lot of Africans. Try to mingle with them, find out stuff about them. They will help you out. Africans are good in helping out, but sometimes it could be nerve-wracking. Like, you just get on their nerves and they're complaining, and I don't blame them. The society, like, they have to work. People have things they are using their time for. So please try to be self-sufficient, read, educate yourself, ask questions, find out stuff yourself, navigate things yourself. I mean, it's just common sense. Like, basically it's common sense. Obey the rules, more importantly. Don't go and do pass yourself. Obey the rules. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into That Gwari Girls channel. I'll please beg you to subscribe to my channel. It is like so free to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg, no, press the subscribe button down below. I take God beg una. Please help me hit the subscribe button. It is free. Thank you so much for listening to my professional tips. If you guys are watching and you feel you have better ideas than me, please drop your comments in the comment section below. Let's interact. On this vlog, we're going to be talking about lifestyle, entertainment, fashion, music, gist, everything, just name it. So I mean, let's talk about stuff. Thank you so much, and God bless ya.